Country Blumpkin's all I know. Sing it like the wild wind blows. She can blow just like the wind. Mama says it's a cardinal sin. Well, it's high tide when I flush my ride, and it's a hard ride, we know, but we still go. Country Blumpkin's all I know. As a kid I played with G.I. Joe. Half the battle is their cry, the other half is you live or die. And it's a hard ride when I flush my ride, and it's hard to see sometimes. A heart's cry. Down in Alabama about 4:30 when Johnny came to the door. We was coming back from New Orleans, speeding down that corridor. Now he's got us out on the side of the road. Yeah, he's looking for a heavy load. Things will be fine, I don't lose my mind as long as we make it down to the county line. Too. Hope we make it to the county line. Yeah. Hope we make it to the county line. And if I don't, may lose my mind. To the county line, I'll be feeling fine. And if I don't, may lose my mind. Make it to the county line now. Hope we make it to the county line now. Hope we make it to the county line now. Hope we make it to the county line. It was Chambers County PD. He had us out on the side of the road. He was looking through all our paraphernalia. We'd never have heavy load, but we might have. I don't know how the real story's told. Everyone's got a different story, you know, and it comes to me in a no dream, and I can't tell you what I seen for real. But all I know is that we made it there to the county line. To the county line. If I don't, may lose my mind. To the county line. Take it away, boys. Come on, yeah. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. To the county line. If I don't get down to the county line, I'm surely gonna lose my mind. To the county line. Where are you from?
The county over.
You ever seen the inside of a double wide?
One time.
You precious.
You got all your teeth.
That I do, baby. That I do. You don't go for a dance?
You know how to dance?
I've done it a couple times.
cut a rug. I usually use my Bowie knife. Got a Hemi in his pants. He ain't looking for romance. He's got a Hemi in his pants. He ain't looking for romance. He's got a Hemi, Hemi, how, Hemi, Hemi, how, Hemi, 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 how, Hemi, how. We gotta keep on moving. Train keeps chug-a-lug-a-lugging on, baby. Chug-a-lugging on. Got a Hemi in his pants. He ain't looking for romance. He's got a Hemi in his pants. Yeah, let's do some Jaeger bombs and dancing. And yeah, Hemi, Hemi, how, Hemi, 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 how, Hemi, how. Let's take a cruise around the mall, baby. Yeah. I'll show you my country style. She's sweet as pumpkin pie, but hard as the water. She's on fire like a Marlboro, like the west wind. She rocks me to and fro. She's just as nice as a brand new truck liner. She's blue, she'd be designer, and I gotta let her know. Let her know with a kiss and a tickle. Don't be mean, don't be fickle, but you gotta let her know. Let her know with a kiss and a tickle. Don't be mean, don't be fickle, but you gotta let her know. Sweet as pumpkin pie, but hard as the water. She's on fire like a Marlboro, like the west wind. She rocks me to and fro. She's just as nice as a brand new truck liner. If she's boots, she'd be designer, and I gotta let her know. Let her know with a kiss and a tickle. Don't be mean, don't be fickle, but you gotta let her know. Let her know, everywhere you go. Mean, don't be fickle, but you gotta let her know. Excuse me. We might get lucky, 'cause we're drinking that juice. She gets a little frisky when we both get loose. She always comes I'm her muffin. Let me tell you about my dog, 'cause my wife left me. This life of drinking is the only way to be. Let me tell you about my new truck, 'cause my wiener is small. I got my hunting gear at the Metro Mall, 'cause we might get lucky, 'cause we're drinking that juice. She gets a little frisky when we both get loose. She always comes with a little bit scruffy. She's my baby. I'm her muffin. Get lucky, 'cause we're drinking that juice. She gets a little frisky when we both get loose. She always comes with a little bit of scruffy. She's my baby. I'm her muffin. Chicken pecking at the front door ain't nothing we can't afford. Long as love is our currency, you'll see. Mule hauling in the backyard, mama cooking with the Lord. Country life is hard, but it's for me. I wish I had a goat. I'd name him Emmanuel. He'd be my little angel with horns until he ate all the paint off the side of the trailer. Then we'd probably have to sell him at the flea market. That's just the way it goes sometimes. Chicken pecking at the front door ain't nothing we can't afford. Long as love is our currency, you'll see. Mule hauling in the backyard, mama cooking with the Lord. Country life is hard, but it's for me. If I had a sheep, I'd name him Fluffy, and he would roam the pasture like the clouds on a plane. But I'd have to keep him away from Brother Willis. He's a little strange sometimes when it comes to sheep. I don't know what it is. They seem to disappear when he's around. Chicken pecking on the front door ain't nothing we can't afford. Long as love is our currency, we'll be alright. Mule hauling in the backyard, mama cooking with the Lord. Country life is hard, but it's for me. Let's raise that barn. Don't kick that mule. Give me the whiskey. Let me take a pull. She was a liar, and I played the fool. We lost our fire, and I lost my cool. Baby, please don't call the popo. Baby, not this time. I can't spend my days in a prison that ain't mine. 'Cause that old orange jumpsuit don't fit me at all. For the 800th time, baby, give me a call. Straight to that barn. Don't kick that mule. Give me the whiskey. Let me take a poo. I was a liar. You played the fool. We lost our fire, and I lost my cool. Oh, baby, please don't call the popo. Baby, not this time. I can't spend my day in a prison that ain't mine. And that old orange jumpsuit don't fit me at all. For the 800th time, baby, give me a call. For the 800th time, baby, give me a call. For the 800th time, baby, please come back, please. Can't finish the song. I can't even finish the song.
Would you just stop sniveling on the answering machine? I know you're all pouty, and I know you're feeling down, but just stop making up songs now. Now, I know you're feeling down, but you really just gotta stop calling. You're starting to creep goddamn skin out.
1, 2, 3, 4. Just like Teflon, I knew our love wouldn't stick. She left at 3 in the morning with a note that read, "You prick." Just like WD-40, she didn't leave a squeak. She drove off in my brand new truck, and I ain't seen her now for about a week. And I've cried 1,000 tears and drank hundreds of beers. And I know for a fact she ain't coming back. That's why I'm hooked on crack. I'm hooked on crack. She called me from Panama City just to rub it in my face. She slept with my brother She told me to put me in my place. And I got so torn up, didn't know what the hell to do. So I hung out with my dog and wrote this here country song for you. And I've cried 1,000 tears and drank hundreds of beers, and I know for a fact she ain't coming back. So I'm hooked on crack. I hear a howling in the distance. It's my wild man calling me. I hear a train whistle down the road. I hear the trumpet sound of a toad, 'cause I hear a howling in the distance. I think it's my wild man saying set me free. And I hear a train calling from up around the bend. There's a voice inside says cook meth again. I hear a howling, baby, at the moon. I don't need no cigarettes, no silver spoon, 'cause I hear a howling in the distance. I think it's my wild man calling me, calling me, calling me. Keep on calling, it's calling me. Keeps on calling, he keeps calling, keeps calling me, 'cause I hear a howling in the distance. I hear my wild man calling me. I hear that train whistle coming up around the bend, and I hear a voice saying cook shine again.